Hey y'all, it's Kayla Symone. Welcome back to my channel. And I am currently in my treatment room. And this is the first week of me being a solo Esty, and I haven't had any clients. And it's okay. Like, that happens. I'm in a new area, an area that I'm not from. And I'm a new esthetician in a salon. So I have to get my name out there. And so there's been a few things that I've been doing, of course, like Facebook groups and passing out my business cards and just showing up every day, whether I have a client or not, and being by the phone, making sure that I'm here to answer the phones in case I can pique anyone's interest in getting a facial. So it's definitely different from your 9 to 5, knowing that you're gonna get your check. It's like you have to hump and grind for the cash. And so I'm here in my scrubs, you know what I'm saying, waiting for my clients from Fort Drum and Watertown. And I've gotten a little bit of interest, so I'm excited about that, and maybe next week will be better. But this is just an update on my first week in my studio. So this is just an update on my first week in my studio. I'm gonna show you guys around my room, show you what type of things I have available. I will be offering waxing soon. I just have to get my room set up for that. But right now I'm set up to do facials. And so I'm gonna show you around a little bit so you can see what my room is like. And yeah, so let's get into it. Side note, y'all, I can't find my camera. Like, ever since we moved to Fort Drum, I know my camera has to be somewhere. I just can't find it. So I've been recording all these YouTube videos on my phone. So if the quality is not giving what you wanted to give, I'm sorry. But it is what it is. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, so here is the overview of my room. It's not huge, but it's also not small, so I appreciate the size of the room. So when you come in, and I may put something else right here, like a little table or something, just for people to be able to host their stuff. But I got this sign from Christmas Tree Shop that says, "Don't forget your mask." And I don't know why on the camera it's reading blue. Okay, great, because I'm like, the walls are green, but it was reading blue. I think it's because of the light. But it says, "Don't forget your mask." And I thought this was cute, not because of COVID, but because of the, you know, you coming to a spa to get a treatment mask and a facial. So thought that was cute. Here's my Dermalogica smock. Those are my keys. This plant and planter I got from Hobby Lobby, and they were having a sale because it was 4th of July weekend. I was actually in here with my aunt. She did most of the painting. I was just being the apprentice. I painted around the door, so I used the actual paintbrush, but she was the one painting. So here is my mirror, and I got this mirror from Target. Thank goodness the bed was already here. Of course, that will always be draped with either a disposable sheet or my actual linens. Here is a UV light sanitizer. I love this thing because at one point in time, I didn't have the space for like a larger sanitizer, but I'm gonna actually a sterilizer, but I'm gonna have two, and I'll show you that later. This is my clock so I can keep up with the time when I'm performing my services. Again, this is not all put together like I really want just yet. Of course, I have a candle so I can light that. This is just here because I was just now recording, but this doesn't stay out. Hand sanitizer, my license, business card, a little bowl so people can put stuff in if they have keys or phone if they want to be nearby and not hang up there. Barbicide. This is my bags. These are my trash and to be disinfected container as I'm working. This is my little fridge, and what I'm going to do is keep like any jade rollers and globes for my facials in here, and I may have some products sitting in there just in case I have a client with sensitive skin that needs something calming and cooling. This is also a implement sterilizer. Here are just like some extra cotton swabs, mask, because when you're getting a facial, you're gonna have your mask off, so I'm gonna put one on. Here are some trash bags, extra gloves. Here is my towel warmer. This is a 1 rack warmer, but that's okay. It was already at the salon, so I didn't have to buy that. Down here are disposable sheets, some of my bowls, and like where I would place my product so it's not just sitting out. And I got these from Target. Here are all my clean white towels. Those are the facial towels. Here is my container for dirty linen. I don't have anything in here yet. And here is all the clean linen for the bed. Here is my rolling cart that I will be using. Here is my starter back bar with my Dermalogica products, and there's labels that was already up here, so I just kind of organized my products according to that. Here's some containers that I need to label with cotton, rounds, gloves, just something I could easily access. And then here is my containers for like things that are already disinfected, the container for the need to be disinfected. This is what I'll mix my barbicide in. That's the spray bottle I will pour it into once mixed. So I had to label everything. Here is my steamer and lamp, which I want to upgrade, but of course, you know, we're starting out, so it's fine. Here's my stool, and I had to get a stool cover because it's actually pink. And if y'all know me, y'all know pink is not really my color. And these two pictures I got from Hobby Lobby as well. This was already here. My curtains I actually hung myself. These are blackout linen curtains that I got from Target, and the rod is also from Target because it's not a real window, like there's tarp covering that, and that's really ugly. So I just wanted to make sure that the room looked cool. So this is my little room, and I really love it, and I think it's a good start. So yeah. Also, one piece of equipment I forgot to show you guys is my LED light therapy. Basically it's a hood, that's how I like to call it, but it's a light therapy machine. And so like I love this machine because whatever skin condition you are trying to treat, it's just a cool treatment feature. Like the red light is boosting collagen and it's for anti-aging. The blue light helps calm down acne, green light hyperpigmentation, yellow light the same for dullness. So it's really, really cool. This is what I'm really, really excited to use most often. I feel like there was something else I meant to show you guys, but I'm not quite sure. My high frequency machine is a hand wand, but I do, like I said, want to upgrade my steamer and light to be a steamer light 3-in-1 with the high frequency as well. But I think that is all, you guys. That's all I have so far. So I'm super excited to offer these services. I am in Watertown, New York, so if you are near Watertown, New York, and you know where Mint Julep Salon is, come holler at your girl. All right, guys, so that is all I have for this update. I just want to keep you all encouraged that if you are on a new business venture, on a new journey in life, don't quit, because it doesn't, happen instantly as far as success. Life has a funny way of working things out. So if you are really purposed to do something, just continue to do it. Like, I know sometimes we see people in their glitz and glamour stage and when they're booked and busy, but this is just a reminder that sometimes your start is a little slower, and that's okay. Like, this is week 1 and I'm talking about your start is slow. it's gonna happen. So stay encouraged, continue to pursue your dreams, whether it's being a solo SD or hairstylist or whatever you're doing, and it'll all work out. Just keep putting the work in. So that's all I have for today. Hopefully you like my treatment room, and if you're in Watertown, definitely come by and check me out, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.